Many older buildings have staircases made of wood or concrete. Parador offers a modern renovation system with stair overlays, as seen in this property from the 1970s. With the prefabricated stair elements, the old supporting staircase is newly clad and given a fresh appearance. They also impress with an absolutely authentic look, as the decorative pattern runs seamlessly across the tread surface, the front edge, and the underside of the step. Using a template, you can capture the exact step dimensions and transfer them to the Parador stair element. Cut the new tread to size. For open-sided staircases, Parador offers a flush side panel that can be installed on either the right or left side. After the adhesive has cured and the step edge has been prepared, you can glue the finished stair element onto the old tread. Determine the height and width of the riser. After cutting it to size, this element is also installed. Using this method, you work your way from the lowest step to the top step. All adjoining stair elements are then sealed with colored silicone. With our decor matching flooring, you can design the entire staircase area in a harmonious and uniform way. Transform your staircase with Parador. Aesthetic, innovative, sustainable. Learn more at parador.de/en.